Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a 4-month update on my long-term protective style. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So as of July 24th, it has made it 4 months since I've had my braids in. And as you guys may know, I've been wearing a wig for the past 4 months. So in the corner, you'll see a video of when I first did my braids compared to my braids 4 months later. And as you can see, I definitely have a lot of new growth, and it's definitely time to take these braids out. So right now, I'm just going to show you guys how much new growth I've got. And throughout this journey, well, for the first 3 months, I had been using the aloe vera juice as a leave-in, and I have plenty of videos on, how to make that aloe vera leave-in. If you want to check out those videos, I'll leave them down in the description box. And then for the past month, I've been using a rose water and glycerin infused fenugreek spray. If you want to check out that video, I'll also have it down in the description box as well. And then throughout the whole journey, I've been using my henna oil, which I have a video of that as well, and I'll leave that linked in the description box as well. So as you can see, I did show you guys a close-up on my scalp, and I'm surprised that my scalp still looks pretty clean after 4 months. So I am going to also be doing a length check in this video. So when I first braided my hair down, I had did a length check. I was planning on doing this video where I don't know, what was it again? It was like something about like growing your hair overnight, but it turned out to be a complete flop. So I scratched that whole video. But I end up putting that shirt back on because it still had the marks from when I had measured my hair. So as you guys can see now, this is footage from 4 months ago. This was right before I went ahead and washed my hair. If you guys want to check out that video on how I washed and prepped my hair, then I'll go ahead and leave that in the description box as well. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys the length of my hair 4 months ago compared to the length of my hair now. So now it is 4 months later. The date of when I recorded this video was July 29th. So I'm just going to go ahead and just unravel my braids, and I'm just going to measure both of the same like nape area that I did in the video 4 months ago, and I'm just going to measure that compared to the markings on my shirt from 4 months ago. So I'm just showing you guys a close-up of the section that I'm going to be measuring. I don't want nobody saying, how do I know that's your real hair? I'm just showing you this is coming straight from my scalp. So this is what my hair is looking like right now after I done unraveled it. So I'm just going to go ahead and compare the mark from 4 months ago. So the marks that you see right now are what I measured 4 months ago. And I'm just going to go ahead and just stretch out my hair as much as possible to see where my hair is now. So as you guys can see, my hair has surpassed the mark that I did 4 months ago. And I am super excited about that because I did not keep my hair in for 4 months just for my hair to be at the same length or to be shorter. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mark where my hair stops, and then I'm just gonna get a tape measure so I can see exactly how much my hair has grown. So I'm just gonna measure from the mark from 4 months ago to the mark now, and the measurement I got was 2.5 inches. So I'm pretty excited about that. I believe your hair grows like, is it like a half an inch a month? I'm not sure, but that's pretty good. I'm really excited about these 2.5 inches. So I'm also gonna measure my hair from the nape to the ends of my hair, and I'm just gonna see like how long my hair is looking like right now, and then I'm gonna do the other side. So I got 17.5 inches, and I'm just measuring from my nape down to my ends, and I'm just going to work on the other side. So I'm just going to show you guys a close-up on my roots, just, to show you guys that I don't got no weave up in there. And I'm just going to measure once again. So I already marked the shirt off camera just because it was kind of hard to see exactly where my hair stopped through the camera. So I had to use the mirror to see exactly where my hair stopped. And so I'm just showing you guys so that way it doesn't look like, I just did some random mark, but to show you guys my hair is really that length. And I'm just going to measure the mark from 4 months ago to now to see how much growth I got. And when I measured this, actually this side was a little bit longer. I ended up getting 3 inches of new growth. So I'm just going to measure my hair from the nape down to my ends. And I got a measurement of 18 inches. Well, a little past 18 inches, but we're just going to round it and say it's 18 inches. And so, yeah, so I am super excited about this hair growth. And like, when I seen this, I was like, I want to put my hair back into a protective style again, but I'm gonna let my hair breathe a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It was under some braids for 4 months, so I'm definitely gonna let my hair breathe for a little bit. And so I just want to say thank you guys for coming along with this journey with me. I know a few of you guys were saying that you were on your own long-term protective style journey, so definitely let me know how that is going. But I definitely appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And my next video is going to be the detangling process, so I know you guys are looking forward to that. So bye you guys, and thank you so much. for commenting, subscribing, liking my videos, sharing my videos. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Bye.